What's up guys, this right here is the Nyan Gear LED motorcycle leg bag. Just like the Nyan Gear backpack, it's got an LED display, but it's much more compact, which makes this thing way easier to take on the go. It's definitely built to be tough, and the outside has this hard shell material that keeps its shape, and it gives it a really sturdy protective feel, which is super important while on the bike. Inside, we've got a main compartment that can be expanded by unzipping the zipper on the surrounding edges here, and it opens up quite a bit more space. This is where I'll throw in things like my wallet or phone or whatever small gear I want with me. Now there is actually a smaller pocket as well right here, and that's really made for holding the power bank since you need one to power the LED screen. I do like that they have a separate pocket for that because it makes it way more convenient when taking items in and out of the bag. And by the way, I will have this linked down in the description below with the discount code YouTube for free shipping. On the back here, you've got 3 different adjustment points, one on the main strap right here, and then one on each of these smaller straps. What this basically means is you can decide how high or low the bag sits on your leg, and I tried a few different ways and ended up liking it a bit higher for comfort, but it's nice that we've got the options to move it around for the most comfortable fit possible. We can also unclip these straps by pressing the middle button on either side, and they just snap right back into place, which makes it way easier to put on and off. Now let's go ahead and talk about the LED panel though, because this is what makes this thing stand out. When you download and open up the Nyan Gear app, you'll want to plug in the power bank and then pair your device. Once your device is paired, you'll want to make sure that this sticker number on the inside compartment here matches up with the number that you see in the app once your device is paired, and that'll ensure that you're connected to the correct bag. That's mostly important if you're on a group ride and other people also have one, so you don't accidentally control their bag. Now once it's paired, just like the Nyan Gear backpack, you can just type out whatever text you want, adjust how it scrolls across the screen, and pick from a bunch of different GIFs and animations in this new section of the app. And they are constantly adding new GIFs all the time, and I find myself having a lot of fun messing around with all of the features. If you do want the text to appear like it does right here, you can just enter whatever text you want, select the continuous left shift animation, and that's going to allow the text to have a better format and look better on the LED panel. Giving you guys a quick app walkthrough here, it works the same exact way as the Nyan Gear backpack, but we are working with a smaller LED panel, so some GIFs definitely look better than others. On the homepage here, you can see all of the different options from adding GIFs on the top right. You can switch between your downloaded GIFs, and you can turn the bag on and off in the top left section. You can view your Bluetooth connection settings, followed by the custom text feature, and we have the drawing feature. The drawing feature is a lot of fun, and you can draw out a custom design and then send it to your menu, which is visible right here on the home page as well. We can adjust the brightness level of the LED panel at the bottom of the app here, which I usually like to keep at the brightest setting. And then there's the app settings that allow you to clear your GIF menu and view some additional information, and even rotate the screen interface if needed. Also, I did just want to mention this, if the Nyan Gear app isn't working well for you, there is another app called the Loy Space app, and it works the same exact way, and it's going to depend the country that you're in. Now for actually powering the device, you can just use a normal power bank and plug it in here, or if you don't have a power bank, you can pick one up on the Nyan Gear website for $19.99. To turn it on, all you have to do is hold the power button for 5 seconds. And in order to turn it off, just press the power button again for 5 seconds, and then it'll turn off once you let go. For those of you guys wondering how to put it on, the main strap clips around your waist like this. And then the smaller straps go around your leg to keep it in place so that it doesn't move around on the road. Overall, I'd say that the Nyan Gear LED motorcycle leg bag is a pretty unique product. It's not just storage, it's kind of a fun way to customize your ride. For me, I like having the balance of a functional bag with actual compartments that I can use, and then it also being able to display something on the LED panel, whether it's for visibility or just for fun. It's definitely different from any other leg bag I've used before, and if you're someone who likes standing out a little on the bike, I think you'll definitely get some great use out of it. If you guys want to take a closer look, you can check this out in the description below this video to receive free shipping. With that being said, I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.